Very good, my YouTube people. As you saw in the thumbnail, these were 4 easy SpongeBob drawing ideas. This is number 1. Besides, at the end there will be 1 to 5 drawing that will be a surprise. So if you want to see what that surprise is, stay till the end. So let's go with this. Since those drawings, see, here we are going to start drawing these figures, and we are going to make these 3 circles and 1 bigger that will look like a kind of jelly, and then we will draw the little tails or the little legs, and this would be easy draw. Obviously we are going to increase the intensity while we draw the other numbers. Now let's go with number 2. For number 2, we're going to be drawing Plankton. This is going to be one of the most epic drawings, so let's give it to this. We start by drawing this figure. This way, pay attention to the form. This is the number 2 easiest idea of SpongeBob drawings. If you are liking this video, don't forget to subscribe and leave a nice comment so that other characters you want me to draw. I mean, easy SpongeBob drawing ideas, for example, we're doing easy Dragon Ball drawing ideas from Stitch, anything you suggest. So let's hit him with this one, which is number 2. Now, if drawing idea number 3, we are going to be drawing Patricio Estrella in the easiest way possible. And as you may have noticed, there are hidden objects in the video. If you can find the most hidden objects, comment below and comment which character do you want me to be drawing. That the people who find the most objects, I will be drawing their drawings. Maybe not today or tomorrow, but I'll be drawing it, and we upload videos every day, so subscribe for that. like it and leave a nice comment. If you want to send me your drawings, you can be doing so on my Facebook page, which has been appearing throughout the video. There you can send me your drawings, chat with me, and receive my amazing advice. So let's go with drawing number 3, which will be Patricio Estrella. Now let's go to number 4. This may be one of the hardest and is relatively easy. So, let's go with number 4, which will be squid drawn step by step in the easiest way possible on all of YouTube. So let's start by drawing these 2 circles. That will be the eyes. Once you agree with it, we are going to make a great figure like this, which will be the nose, and the rest will be making a circle up and the shape of the face. And practically this would be the entire finished drawing if you are liking the video, and to know that you have reached this time of the video comments, Calamardo, for the 2 of me to give you a nice little heart. So let's go with this, and by the way, we are already minutes away from the final surprise that will be number 5. And here we are with the final surprise, which will be a drawing of a super kawaii dog. This is number 5, so let's draw this super kawaii puppy. We first draw this shape, this circle, and we're going to subdivide it. This line up here will be the eyes. They look like attention. Let's draw this little ball more or less the same size, slightly smaller than the one above, but not as round. We're going to do this little ball and this other little ball, and here we're going to do some little details. This is going to be a kawaii puppy, very pretty, very easy to make, very practical, and that's why I want you to give me a nice comment, and don't forget to subscribe because that helps me a lot. So let's make this puppy. Kawaii is super easy, smiling in the easiest way in all of YouTube, so give him this. And never forget, if they have reached this part of the video, God bless them, every one of you, and never stop drawing. Bye bye until the next video.